Hey, yo, today's winning shout out goes to Kimberly. Let's see what Kimberly said. First $900, less than 48 hours after signing up. Let's go. I bought the Legacy Builder program on Monday night, set up my funnel that night, wrote out the content for my Facebook post for 1 week. Look, using the prompts in the 7 days from launch to profit the next night. You can read the rest of it. You can see where she said she made $900 literally less than 48 hours after buying this program. What could an extra $900 do for you if you got involved with an automated online business that you only worked for 2 hours a day, that literally Kimberly told you step-by-step proven process, you follow it and you start positioning yourself to start getting some $900 deposits? Could that allow you to alleviate some of those bills that you be stressing about? Could that allow you to maybe to get rid of one of those side hustles or that part-time job if you have one? Or could that just allow you to start traveling and enjoying more memories with your family, kind of like I do with my wife? If you're interested in a program that can teach you how to make this all happen, drop me a 1. I would absolutely love to give you more information on this program that we're following. I'm personally helping 12 people this month position themselves for this. So if you're ready to go, let's work. And remember, things will never ever change if you don't first change. Peace, love, and positive vibes. You be great.